Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about one-sided limits. One-sided limits are specific to what side of the function you're approaching. You're either approaching from the right or from the left. You'll see that with a little plus sign or a minus sign after the number in which you're approaching. Now if you don't see a plus or minus sign, there's an assumption that's being made, and the assumption is the limit is the same from both sides. If it's not the same from both sides, the limit would not exist. So let's look at a few examples here with our function g of x. Here we have a piecewise function. There's a couple breaks there. There's a couple discontinuities, jump discontinuity and removable and jump discontinuity right here. Let's look at the limit as we approach 1. As we approach 1, we get close from both sides a y value of 2. So that is the value of this limit right here. Now notice no plus or minus sign. We're assuming it's the same from the right and the left, and in fact it is. Now let's approach 1 only from the right. That's what the plus sign means. So as we approach 1 from the right, we still approach that y value of 2. As we approach 1 from the left, we still approach that y value of 2. So in this case, in and around 1, we happen to have the same limit, no matter if we're approaching from the right or the left. Let's look at 2. As we approach 2, limit g of x as x approaches 2, it is different from the left and the right. The y values are different. So the way it's stated here, assuming the same from left and right, it does not exist. The limit fails to exist here. Now let's be more specific. Let's approach 2 from the right. Here we are coming from the right, and the y value appears to be 2. Let's approach 2 from the left. We'll start over here at the left, and we will get close to 2. We appear to get close to a y value of 1. So we can see here as we approach from the left and the right, the values are different. Therefore, the assumption from approaching either side is undefined. You have to be specific in this case, given this piecewise function with the jump discontinuity. Let's do one more example. Approaching 3. Well, if we approach 3 from the left and right, we see that they are different values. So once again, we're going to have undefined. Approaching 3 from the right, we get close to 1. Approaching 3 from the left, we get close to 3. And there's your overview of one-sided limits.